Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube tutorial. Like this is especially made for kids. I guess you guys can see me. Wait, let me okay. Just remove these one. Okay, okay. Sorry, settle करने में थोड़ा time लग गया. Okay. This video is especially for kids who are in class third, fourth, fifth, sixth, whoever so want to learn code or new to code, wanted to learn new codes like what to do, where to go as a new curriculum introduce coding. So this is basically focusing children. This code is basically focus children how they will learn code. Okay, so let me first discuss this. Let me first discuss. Oh my god, as I'm new to this video editing system, let me just okay. Now moving on forward, this is my YouTube channel. You can follow anytime here. You can like, share, and subscribe also. Okay, so after introduction, okay, what we will learning is here. I have downloaded this file. This is called Let Us See. All the coders will know this is the best book to start with. So I am also starting with this. I know this will be a little bit difficult for the child to understand Let Us See book itself, but I will be explaining to your child in easiest way possible. Don't worry for that. I will be explaining every and each thing for a child. Don't worry, you can go through this video lecture and see how I will introduce what is C language to him or her. So hi, my name is Tanya Paul and welcome back to the class tutorial. Like I know this must be the first video of or some for someone this is the first video lecture they were going on for coding and something like that. So let's start with the journey. Okay, so whatever I discussed so far, kindly forget it. So, hi kids, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing good. Okay, so moving on forward, what we are gonna learn is okay, what language do you understand? May I know what language do you understand? Okay, you understand English. That's why you are understanding me also. Okay, but computer don't understand English. Then, like I know Bengali also. Then what if I say ki korcho? What does it mean to you? Like what does it mean to you? It means you cannot judge what I am saying. In a similar way, if I say hello computer, computer cannot judge what I am saying. Okay? Computer don't understand English at all. Let me tell you. They like imagine computer is a baby boy who understands some different language. Like what languages does they understand is C. C is a language which computer understand. Okay? Like if I say hi, do you understand I am waving at you? But if I say hi, computer doesn't understand anything. He understands completely different language. So completely different languages are varying. Like see, I will as a student or as a starter or as a beginner, I will always suggest you to start with C, as this is the most basic language or the basic concept to go with. Okay. So moving on forward, why I am in my blank pages, let me just show you there. Like okay, we will move on to the first page. I will not explain this book today. That's why I was on blank page. But let me go. Okay, here it is. I am explaining. Let me explain why C. Like I am on this point. Like why C. So why C is the most prominent language to learn and go with. Okay, it is the most basic language. All other languages are developed by using this as a base. Okay. So first understand C, then we will understand or move into more flexible and dynamic languages like Python, JavaScript and all these. Just keep calm. I will be explaining each and everything to you. Okay, moving ahead forward. Okay, I know you might not be getting anything, but have you had lunch or breakfast or anything like that? Have you had that? Okay, great. Then what was it in it? Oh yeah, I missed your lunch. Next time I will be there eating your food also. Okay. Moving on forward, let me take a pen. Hmm. Okay. Now let us understand in English we what have grammar. We have grammar. Let me write it as G. We have grammar. What is grammar? Grammar is some set of rules which are applied to English, which makes it, which gives some meaning to it. Okay, like tenses. I'm writing it as tenses. Okay. Okay. My handwriting might be so bad in this. but in real life it is much better. Okay, so tenses. Tense. I hope it's correct. Okay, so tenses is like what helps you to form your sentence correctly. Okay, in a similar way, C or Java have certain rules in it. Okay, in a similar way, C++ have some different rules. All the languages have some different grammar. We can say some different grammar which are applied to them to form a meaningful sentences. Okay, you get this? Why we learn C syntax or C grammar? Because we want to form, yes, some meaningful sentences. Okay, so we will learn these meaningful sentences and we will learn what do they mean to computer. Okay, that's our main goal. Okay, so let me okay, you tell me, when you was born, what the first sentence or what was the first letter you spoke? Okay, like what was the first? Yay, you said mama. No, dada. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so you said mama dada, but for computer, for computer languages, who is his mama dada, or who is its mama dada? Its mama dada is computer, so it will say or world, computer or world. It will say hello world. It must say hello, hello, hello world. Okay, world. It will say hello world. Okay, so let me just go on to a more blank page and remove everything here, because I am not following it. Like for kids it's very hard to understand. Don't issue, you will learn each and everything in it. Just you need to understand what I am saying first, then we will go grow up slowly and slowly. Just be at your pace. If you don't understand this, kindly comment down whichever it is your doubt. I will solve it as soon as possible. No need to worry. Don't, if you don't understand, go again to the video, watch it again. Now let us understand what we exactly want. Is I'm new to this, so we want a blank page somewhere. Okay, we will have a blank page soon. Here I can use it. Okay, so let us again go to pen, select this one, or black one. So what we are gonna say is our instruction. Okay, when you like I just said you, like, computer is a baby which understands some language. Okay, now you imagine there is some baby sitting over there. If you want to command him in his language, what you will say him? Like if you want to speak him hi, what you will say in his language? You will say, like in his language, okay, you will say speak this, like speak this. You will be saying speak this. Okay, in a similar languages, whatever you want, like in C language, whatever you want the computer to print on screen, okay, like print for you, you will have to say it like print. I'm sorry for my bad handwriting. I know you are having a great handwriting, like much more better handwriting than me. I'm so sorry. If you don't understand it, just ask me down in the comment. I will reply you. Don't need to worry. You will get understand this in the 2 or 3rd class also. I will explaining this to you again, but yeah, in a more basic way. So moving on forward, here we have a print. Okay, my mommy is watching me over, like I'm teaching. You can see in behind. Mama, don't disturb me. You also say your mama. Mama, don't disturb me. I'm studying. Mama. Then you will say, Mama, I'm studying coding. Don't disturb me. I will be a coder in future. Yes, you can be a coder in future. If I can be a coder, anybody can be a coder. You don't need to worry. If you are learning at this age, I must say you will be some great scientist or some great coder in your day. Then you will come back to my channel and say, hi Dee, hi ma'am. Now I am coder in this company like Facebook and Google. So no need to worry. If you are learning right now, this is very good opportunity for you. I must say you are a great student. You will be a great student and you will be a great coder with a true entrepreneurship qualities. So moving on forward, what we were saying was print, print, print f. This is a command for computer, which means, which for computer it means like he has to print, or the computer has to print this quoted line. Okay, for computer this means he have given, someone have given his instruction to print a line. Okay, so let us understand what this line means. I will change the color of pen. Okay, this line means in English is speak or print. Here we will say speak up. Okay, speak, speak, speak this line. Which line? It will ask which line. You said speak. What speak? What should I speak? It will ask you. And what should it speak? It speak whatever is written under the quoted area. Okay, like here it is hello. Hello. It should print hello. Like this thing should be printed by the computer. Okay, like you said the computer to speak or print f. Okay, hello, hello. Now what about this semicolon? Why it is here, ma'am? You will ask why it is here, ma'am. Like why? I don't know. I don't want this one. Like why should I write this one? Okay, I understood this. This is speak. This is the line which I wanted the computer to speak. But why this? Why this semicolon, ma'am? Okay, let me answer you. This semicolon is a period or a full stop mark. Okay. In English language, when you put a full stop, Okay, very good. You put a full stop when a sentence is completed. Okay. Then how will a computer how will a computer know that your sentence is completed? How will it know? By the semicolon. For computer languages like C, in C languages, what you mean by semicolon is in English language what you have as period. Okay, period. What you have is period. Okay, so what do we mean by this single statement was speak speak this quoted sentence. What it can be your name, it can be anything. We will see it in example, like we will be doing it practically. I am more focusing on practicals rather than theoretical, and this is the full stop. Okay, so speak printf hello, hello, full stop. Say with me, speak printf this way, this thing and this thing. Okay, now let me clear everything. Okay, like let me clear each and everything. Okay, this is all clear. I know I am very bad at this, but I'm sorry students. I know you must be very much better than me. I know, it's not I know, it's like I guarantee that you are much better than me. Okay, like just be calm. If you don't understand anything, please comment it down. I will feel glad to solve your questions. Okay, like if you don't understand this English also, just keep comment, or either ask your parent to comment down in the comment section down. I will solve their issues and all. If you want this book also, you can comment me down. I will share the PDF with them. Okay, no issues. Ask, you can tell me directly, or if you face any issue regarding how to comment and all that, ask your parent, they will help you out. Okay, or either they can also comment down. I will be sharing much for answer as much as I can solve their issues. Okay, no need to worry, just be calm. If you don't understand this, if you comment many more things like I don't understand, ma'am, I'm so sorry, like I'm so sorry, I didn't get anything out of it, please understand in a more basic way, I will do the more basic way. Like I am going in advanced way, it's very advanced. Like for 5th to 6th class student, like I must say it is a way much advanced for them. But if you want in a more layman manner, I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, no need to issue. Just comment down, give me feedbacks, then I will come to know now what I am lacking in. Okay, moving on. What we said, okay. But moving on forward, in C, there is another grammar rule. C is another grammar rule. Okay, grammar rule. It has some rule. Which rule? Like when you like if let us understand by this. If you say I had eaten, okay, like I don't know its correct sentence or not. I am very much bad in English. Like if I say she will go, okay, she will go. What do you understand by this? This is in which tense? Okay, this is in future tense. I hope you get it right. Yes, you did it right. Very good. You did very right. You said it very right. Okay, moving on forward. You said it in future tense. It is okay. Like it is. It will be future tense because you understand by it. She will go. Like it is T-U-R-E. My English is very bad. I'm so sorry. Like this is future tense. You get it here. Not it. It's not about English. It's about coding. So in a similar way. Sorry. Mommy, I'm studying. Okay, moving on forward. So, why we computer don't understand what tense you are speaking also. Okay, in that grammar, like in C grammar, he want him to specify what tense you are using. Okay, like what tense you are using also. Like what in which book or which chapter he will find. In which chapter he will find as you want. Sorry. In which chapter he will find your sentence or will get a definition of your sentence. Okay, like we have said printf means speak, hello, then colon. Now C have much more broader grammar. Okay, now if like your computer don't know कि printf he will find in which tense, either in tense or noun. What is it? I don't know. She also want to specify on which section of grammar you are using it. Okay, like which section is it. So in this way you have to just say hash, like the hashtag, hashtag include. What does you mean by include is, I will just explain it to you. Include stdio 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 dot h. Okay, okay, we will understand it. Okay, line by line, just go with me. Okay, just go with me. Okay, this hash means to computer is, first read this instruction. Okay, for reading the below instructions, like you will have commands like printf. Okay, I'm not writing it completely. Like, okay, let me write it completely. Printf. Okay, printf. Some quoted thing. Okay, I will write it something. Okay, no issues. Okay, all right. Moving on forward. Let us understand this. What does this hash means to computer? Like computer क्या समझेस? Okay, let me go in English, Hindi also. Okay, like what does computer should mean by this? This means to computer is, first read these lines. Okay, to understand these lines you have to go through this line. Okay, for understanding these lines, like or and many more instruction like this. Okay, you have to go through these lines. You have to go through this line only. Okay, so this means first go this is priority. Then what? Include means include, like include. Now it will ask which chapter, like I should include which chapter to you, ma'am. To understand this you will have to include tense to understand. She will be going. Okay, like she will be going, then I will write include tenses. To understand what I am gonna say, like what I am gonna say, you have to include tenses. Okay, in a similar way, see what does this line mean to is, read first this before going to this, Then you include computer, please include this chapter. This chapter is stdio.h. What is h? H for computer means a chapter. Okay, please include this studio. So we also have to put dot h, means this complete chapter, to understand my codes. Okay. Okay, I hope you get this. Again, please, with me. Repeat with me. Please read this line first. This line says include stdio.h. stdio.h chapter, please include computer to understand my below instructions. Okay. Okay. Now we are gonna write our first, first, first program. Are you excited? I am very much excited. Like, I am so sorry for my low energy. Today was not my day. Like, I had really fever. I am having really fever. I'm sick. It is a rainy season, so mm, it's just like you. I have a running nose. No issues. You also have. We will make it. Okay. I'm so sorry for my low energy, beta. Okay, moving on forward. Our code. Just repeat with me. No need to worry. If you don't get it, I will repeat it again. Please, computer, include this line first. So we have to write include. Please read this line first. Then include. Include. Okay. Now it will ask what to include. Like what to include. What should I include? What should I include? So you write stdio. stdio. Don't need to know what it is. I will explain it to you as we will grow in the course. This course is free of cost, available in my YouTube channel. So kindly ask your parent. This is a note to parent. Parent, if you are listening me, kindly make sure that you subscribe to my channel and provide each and every video lecture to your kid in a regular basis, because I must guarantee that, if I can guarantee you, like I can bet this, if your child has gone through each and every lectures and each and every video of mine, he will be developing so much logics. Like his logic will be created in a much more manner, like very good manner. Okay, you will ask, like for parent, they must have a doubt, like why we should go with C, why should not we go. Wait a second, just wait a second, I am so sorry. Okay, sorry, I am so sorry. I have to receive the call. For searching. Okay, moving on forward. What we have is this line. First, please, computer, read this line first. What it is says, include this. Which chapter to include? stdio.h. Okay. To read the further instruction, you have to include stdio.h to understand my following codes. Okay, like whatever you will write from here onward, it will understand. Like your computer will get every and each thing, you will understand. Like if you say in English, she will go. Okay, now you have to include the chapter named as tense to understand this is future tense. Okay, like you have read the tense, that's why you know this is future tense. But what if you were not known about this? Okay, so then you have to include this chapter in your memory to understand what tense is going on. Okay, in a similar way, computer brain need to include this chapter to understand what's going on. Okay, now moving on to our first statement was to, like first instruction was to print 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 f print f hello world, hello world. Okay, hello world or hello. In short, I will say hello. Now can you tell me what is missing over here? Like anything missing over here, or it's completely fine? Just guess. Okay, I'm so sorry for this tone also. This is my message tone. I must have got some messages. Okay, leave that. Can you tell me what is wrong over here? Like what is missing over here? Anything which you can say? Okay. For those who have guessed, it is a missing semicolon or a full stop. They are doing so great. I must say they are doing so great. But for those who didn't get that, no need to worry. It's your first class. I must say, if you understand this only, you are hero. Like you are hero of your world. Like in my sixth class, I was not knowing what is include, what is this. I was not knowing what the thing I was known was only like what is area, then what is social science, these things also. So you are doing so great, I must say. Okay, so let us complete the statement. Okay, did you get this? Is it okay for you to understand? I hope you get this. Now we will write this code in our new tab. Okay, like just wait in a second. I will share this to you. Like, just give me a second. Okay, is it visible? Okay, I switched the tab and I am in a okay. Okay, for students, what you have to do is just type this thing, like this thing. Which thing? I will write over here. Like I will write over here for you. You can copy it on your copy and put it in the URL box. Don't forget to put it over the URL box only. Okay. If you have any errors, kindly ask your parents first, and then do anything whatever you want. Ask them. They will. I am sure they will help you. Okay. There is no one better than our parents. Okay. I can bet you. They are the best teacher in the world. Like I sincerely admire my parents, and I know your parents are best in their world, like in the world. Okay, moving on forward. What you have to write there is just write over your copy. I hope you are having a copy with you, pen and copy. You must have a copy and pen with you. Online GDB. Online GDB.com. Yes, .com. OnlineGDB.com. So what is it? You don't need to understand. It's just a helper to check your grammars and all, that you are writing it correct or not. Okay. So okay. Let's remove everything. Eraser. I hope it's now on. Okay. When you will reach here, the compiler or this thing, this is a workspace. Okay. IDE. This is a IDE, Integrated Developing Environment. You don't need to understand all this. We will understand this. Just concentrate on this line and this line. Also, forget about what is this and what is this. We will understand this in a course later. But let me say you that you just need to focus on this line and this line. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, okay. Computer, please include this. Please read this line first. Okay, computer, please read this line first. Then what? Include this chapter, and this will help understand this instruction. Okay, so let me move to eraser first. Erase everything for you. Okay, each and everything is removed. Now let us go to cursor back and remove this hello world too. Hello, hello. He, I will say he. Hello. Okay, hello, hello. I like hello much. Hello very much. Like Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Okay. So, without wasting any time, it's 30 minutes long. Oh my god. It's got 30 minutes. But no issues. We have learned something. Okay. Just forget this line and this line. Always remember that you select the language as C. Here you can see the options. These all are languages. Don't need to worry. I will covering the most of them. Please stay tuned to my channel. Hello. I have written hello over here. Okay. You just need to put or just need to run it over here. Okay. What we have done? This line. Check. Abhi, like for now, forget all these things. Okay. We will learn all this, but it's mandatory to have these things right over here. Okay. These are under rules. We will understand in the next class what this means, but just remember you need to have these lines. You cannot remove this over here. Otherwise, you will face some error. Okay. Let me show you what will happen if you remove this. Must have, then you will have your doubt like okay, no errors, but if you will run, okay, let me go to uh, let me just remove this over there. Like this is so too slow, I'm sorry. And can you see this so says error, this says error expected declaration. Okay, that means you have done some errors in your code. This is not correct. So to correct it, what was I saying here? Do not interrupt or do not make any changes currently to the code. I will write it again for you. This will help you out. I will in my next lecture. I'm surely gonna explain what is this. But for now, please don't go on that line. I will understand each thing for you. Just concentrate on what I said to you. Okay. Now this line you got. Now please say after me or if you are right, I know you are right, you are catching too faster, just go ahead with me and say printf. Okay, printf means speak for me. Okay, you want the computer to speak for you. What to speak? Now it will ask what to speak. Ma'am, what should I speak? Or sir, you told me to speak, but what should I speak? Then it should say hello, hello, or anything you want. Okay, anything you want in the quotation. Always note that the thing you want to be displayed is in quotation. Okay, so I will say, what should I say? Avenger? No, not Avenger. Avenger next. We will say Shinchan. Yes, Shinchan. Shinchan. Okay, Shinchan. Hi Shinchan. Hi Shinchan. And tell him what you are learning. I am learning C. Okay. Then is anything which I am forgetting? Yes, I am forgetting the full stop or the semicolon. Okay, after now with this we are ready with the code. We just need to run over it. Okay, it's compiling. See this. Okay, can you see the output? Yay, we got it. Yay. Okay, so what did it say? Like what the computer said? Like what it speak? Hi Shinchan, I am learning C. Okay, exactly what written over here. Hi Shinchan, I am learning C. Okay, so great. I really had a fun with you guys. Like this was, if you learned each and every concept of this, I must say you are a very great student, like very much sharp student. I gave 10 out of 10 for you. Like when I will meet you, I will really give some award to you. But for that, you need to stay on my channel, okay? Just follow me. I will give each and every instruction to you to understand C language completely, okay? And please ask your parents to follow and subscribe me, because it for this time I must say, parents, you need to understand how important is coding concepts to learn, for learning a coding concept to child. Like you will say why he should learn C, like why he should learn C. I will say, just ma'am, please sir, please have faith on me. If he continuously watching this video, like I can bet in 6 months his logical thinking ability will grow in different level. Like you will say, is this my child? Like I must say, if he if he go a depth knowledge about C, then takes hardly 1 to 2 months him to learn Python or C++, Java. This is my guarantee. Okay, so kindly, please, this is a request, humble request to parents. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I am doing this effort like I am an undergraduate student myself. I am going lots of companies and all this thing, but I take time out of it for your kids, like kids like you only, to share whatever I know. Okay, so please, 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 ma'am, please, sir, kindly help me, and as well this I will help your child as much as I can. Thank you for your time today. Take care. Have a nice day, and I know you will be our best. You will be the best in your class coder. Okay, like in class you can show off. I know C. Like they will ask what is C. C is a computer language. I can instruct computer to do anything. Okay, you can just flaunt like this. Okay, so see you up in the next video. This video has so long, but I am so sorry because this was an introductory video. Okay, this is all. Now I will shut my or leave this class. Like I will end this class and have a nice day. Okay, kindly, ma'am, sir, or kindly kid, please, 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 you will see a red button over there. Let me just draw for you. This will, and when you will go down, there will come this button with full of redness, this fill with red, and here will come a logo and says Tanya Paul. Okay, Tanya Paul, and here it will be written subscribe. Okay, please click on this button. Please kindly click this button so you can follow me on my next video. Okay, so don't worry about this mail. I will explain it to you in as simple way as possible, and try this. Please try this. After this, I will suggest after this session only go and in this tab try type this, like you can only type this onlinegdb.com, like www.onlinegdb.com. Okay, so onlinegdb.com will help you as a beginner, but I am not suggesting it for pro learners. Okay, and let me show you that only, like when you will go on YouTube, you will type, you will like I am going on my channel. You don't need to go over here. Just don't follow me right now. I will say when to do what. Just see, you will find my video like this is some other video. Don't. Okay, so this will be the video which you will be following, and this will be the my name coming over here, and what you will be getting like this is my video only. That's why I can't subscribe to myself, okay, for obvious reasons. But when you will come, you will see this button. Kindly subscribe to it, like kindly click it, please, please, please. This is my humble request. Kindly press it, and also press the bell button. Okay, like all, do it all, and also do the like thing. If kindly click this, then this, like this, and the bell button. Okay, thank you guys. I had really had a nice time with you. I hope you enjoyed the session. I will be following each and every concept of letter C to grow up with you. As you are learning, I am also learning with you, so kindly be there with me. Okay, bye, love you, tata, take care. I really do love you. I really have a sister of your age only. Her name is Anya. Like, she's so cute, and I know you are cute. You are damn cute. So with this cuteness, we will learn all the basic concepts of C and C++ and Java, and be ready to learn lots more, lots more. If you will, if you will be cooperating me, who knows? We will be sharing some AI concepts like artificial machine learning, and like okay Google and all that. Okay, so take care. Bye. Love you. Tata. Good night and Shabba Khair.